know that that's on me.
Never had a moment where I ever questioned you. You already know that. I ain't never stressed with ya. Love me and you own that. That's why I'm so impressed with ya, blessed with ya. If you haven't noticed, I am at my best with ya, yeah. Yeah, they know you're my heart. Yeah, they know I'm about you. I hate when we're apart, 'cause I love me, you.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So I know you're probably wondering why I have this yellow thing on my face. It is a mask, a DIY mask that we are going to be talking about today. And I thought to come and record a little bit of the process, show you guys what I'm doing, why I'm doing it, and just give you guys a little bit of background on this mask, what it is for, and all of that good stuff. So before we get into the video, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, you need to do that for weekly videos. Every week is something new, something different. If you're not subscribed, baby, what are you doing? What are you doing? So make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I'll get into this look or whatever. Stay tuned and we'll get right into the video. So this week we are going to be doing a video about skincare. Since I've been in the house for this quarantine thing, I've been getting breakouts, like pretty bad. Not pretty bad, but pretty bad for me. My face has been breaking out. And I was looking it up, and basically it was just saying that being in the house for this long is not typically good for the skin, because number one, we're basically being deprived of the vitamin D that we get from being outside, vitamin D, just fresh air in general. Also hygiene. I'm sure everyone's hygiene routines may be just slightly different, considering we're not on a consistent schedule as we are usually. You know, like get up in the morning, go to work, whatever your hygiene routine usually is, it's probably being thrown off a little bit, probably not as consistent in the same way, if that makes sense. So they're calling it the quarantine skin. So I was looking up ways to get rid of inflammation, irritation of the skin, and just breakouts with like excessive oil and all of that, because all of that typically causes acne, and of course acne causes scars and all of that. So I was looking up different DIY masks and things like that, and I have tried this mask a really long time ago, and I definitely noticed like a difference after. It's basically like a lightening mask to help with scars and even out your skin tone and stuff. So it helps to get rid of irritation of the skin, helps to like reduce inflammation, excess oil, sebum, all of that good stuff, and basically just get rid of like marks and smooth out your skin or whatever. So I've had a few breakouts here, as you can see. So I wanted to try turmeric mask, and basically the mask helps to reduce dark spots, the appearance of blemishes, dark spots, smooth out your skin and all that. So the mask is turmeric, honey, lemon, which are all things that have antioxidants in them. They're known to work well for the skin if you're looking for sensitive organic things, obviously more natural things. I personally feel that a lot of the times natural things work better for me, because I have very sensitive skin, as you can see, and it doesn't take much for my skin to break out. And I don't even pick my pimples, but anytime I get a pimple, most of the time my skin scars in any way. It doesn't matter if I touch it or not. So I wanted to do like a 5-day or the 7-day challenge, but here I'm on like day 3. So I want to come back later on and show you guys like maybe like next week. I just want to try and see to show you all basically how to make it yourself, and if you want to research a little bit more about it and figure out how it could be helpful for you. There are different masks for different skin types and different skin issues or challenges or whatever you want to call them. So this one specifically, I think that it'll help with mine because I don't have major issues with acne, but when I'm stressed out, my skin breaks out, period. Like, that's always the case. So stay tuned if you want to see how I get my DIY mask, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I make it, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I apply it. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so first off, we're gonna start with the turmeric. Now, it's better if you have pure turmeric, like in its natural state, but I didn't unfortunately have that. I used what I already had. Then you need to have your raw unfiltered honey, as well as a lemon, of course. So just to give you a little bit of background about how each of these components helps your skin. Turmeric and lemon mixed together is just a good mix to help draw impurities from your pores, remove blemishes, and basically just leave your skin looking fresh and younger. So the turmeric is actually an Indian shrub. It is a dried powdered root, and a paste made of turmeric and lemon juice can be rubbed on your face to basically exfoliate the skin. So used as a scrub basically to even the skin tone and remove blemishes. The lemon itself is good for cleansing. Rubbing like a slice of lemon on your skin each day and leave it for like an hour, and then warm water, and then rinse it with warm water. That helps remove blemishes and light scars from your skin or whatever, and it can also help to fade suntans, bad suntans, or whatever. The lemon has a lot of vitamin C. So just like how people drink lemon and warm water, that also helps eliminate toxins from the body, which is also a way of keeping your skin looking fresh and clear of acne or blackheads. And then lastly, the honey, which is used as a protective layer over your skin to basically help retain moisture. So it's really suitable for dry skin because it prevents cracking and soreness, but it also benefits people with oily skin such as myself because it helps to moisturize the skin without leaving a greasy sheet behind. Honey itself is also rich in antioxidants, which help to reduce fine wrinkles and sagging skin. It's a great mix altogether to help the skin in removing the blemishes and help your skin to give it a more glowy, healthy, tighter look. So obviously, of course, as you can see, I mixed everything in, but basically for one mask, you do a teaspoon of each, but I kind of played it by ear because I know like my measurements pretty well, and I just put in a little bit of turmeric, a little bit of honey, and then put some lemon juice in there. I put just about even mixture of all just to make sure it's not too watery, as well as make sure it wasn't too thick and clumpy. You want it to be the perfect paste mix to go easily onto the skin. First, you want to start off with a freshly washed face. Do not moisturize your face, but you want to make sure that your face has been washed, cleansed very well. That's why my face looks really ashy right now, because I washed it when I got out the shower. So I washed it like 20 minutes ago. My face feels really tight and dry, but I had to make this mask. So I'm gonna show you guys how I apply it to my face. No, I'm not in the bathroom because I want this lighting, so I'm just gonna show you guys. So anyways, as you all can see, it's gonna be like pasty like. This is basically what it looks like. Pasty, not too watery. You want it to be pasty enough for you to scrub it in there, and you want it to leave obviously a mask over your face. So roll my sleeves up and apply this thing. Okay. You can use your hands, or you can use your spoon, or you can use a makeup brush, whatever you want to use. I'm just gonna do this. It can get messy now, so make sure you got on something. You don't do this in clothes. Okay. Okay guys, now I'm getting ready to wash off my mask and I'll be right back. I washed off the mask and moisturized my face. Of course, I don't expect this to see results right away. However, it is said to work instantly because of the lemon and the turmeric. Technically, as they say, it works instantly. Of course, you won't be able to see visible results instantly, but yeah. So my skin is, you know, that's a move that way. Yeah, there's mark there, there, and then there's this little, what you call it, like my skin has really been wilding out. Craziness. But anywho, so that is how you do the mask. If you like to try it, I will leave the ingredients and all of that in the description box below. But yeah, try it, see for yourself. I'm gonna be doing a review on this next week. I'm gonna come back and give you all a review on my progress over the challenge, the 7-day or 5-day challenge, whichever one I want to do. I think I'm gonna go to the 7-day. But yeah, once again, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do that. Do that now. And if you find this mask helpful, if you like this DIY mask, if you have tried it and you're seeing results, or just if you learned something different, something new with this video, even though I don't have any instant results right now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like away. The more you like the videos, the more I know what to bring to you all, and the more you will see my content. So I will see you guys next week for next week's video. Bye.